Ano lang update po for our national team na alam natin na world record holders. So ano na po yung plano, ano na po yung ginagawa po nila ngayon.
We're preparing for two international events. The one in July in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia will be the Asia Pacific Championship. And in Costa Rica, August 21, we will have our World Championship. This is organized by World Obstacle, the International Federation. So we're preparing for these two international events and especially for Ninja 100 kung saan tayo nag-excel ng Southeast Asian Games. Hopefully, like the World Championship last year, we were able to bring home the gold and silver medals. And Southeast Asian Games, konting update, hindi pa sigurado ang inclusion of obstacle sports in the Thailand Southeast Asian Games next year. We're working towards the inclusion of obstacle sports as part of modern pentathlon. Right now, obstacle sports is now the 5th discipline. Under modern pentathlon, wala na po yung equestrian. Napalitan na po ng obstacle sports as the 5th discipline. In the Los Angeles Olympics in 2028, kasama pong obstacle sports right now as part of modern pentathlon. Hopefully, it will be a standalone medal sport, but we're still working towards that. So, we're all, hopefully in 2027 sa Malaysia Southeast Asian Games, we will be part of the Southeast Asian Games. Alam naman natin ang regulasyon sa POC, kailangan malaro ka 2 consecutive times in the Southeast Asian Games to be a regular voting sport. Right now, we're not a regular member kasi we were not playing in Vietnam. We were played in 2019 within the Philippines, 2023, Cambodia, and sana po kasama nga kami next year sa Thailand Southeast Asian Games. So, pinagtatrabaho po natin yun.
Attorney, pwede pa malaman kung sino yung pupunta doon sa dalawang tournaments na sinabi mo po? Sino yung mga atleta po natin?
Yeah. Right now, we have 8 national teams under POSF. Ang papadala po, for sure, would be our national athletes recognized and supported by the Philippine Sports Commission. These are 18 athletes, ninja, and obstacle course short, and obstacle course long. Hopefully, we will be able to secure some funding for our adaptive athletes with disabilities, also our youth athletes. We have a national youth team. So, anywhere from 10 to 16 years old, sana po mapadala din namin sila sa Malaysia at sa Costa Rica. So yun po. But for sure, of course, we're waiting for the final approval from the Philippine Sports Commission that we'll be able to send our athletes to our Asia Pacific Champs in July in Malaysia and World Championships in Costa Rica.
Okay, thank you. Balikan ulit natin sa Attorney Jess. What is paddle? May pickleball, may paddle. Dami sumisikat na sport para magkapareho. Please?
Yes po. They say po paddle is a combination po of tennis and squash. Tennis po siya mostly similar strokes po like the volleys. Pero ang difference po is parang squash, may glass po or walls around the court, also fence. Na pag tumalbog po yung bola and then nag-hit sa glass, buhay pa po yung bola. So unlike sa tennis po na pag lumagpas na sa'yo yung bola tapos na ang puntos, ito po, buhay pa po ang bola. Different po sa pickleball, kasi pickleball po, iba po yung bola nila from a tennis ball. I think plastic po. Pero sa paddle po, it's a tennis ball as well. Pero yung pressure po niya, mas mababa lang po. So mas mababa po ang dalbog kesa sa tennis.
Ilang sets po ito?
It's actually the same po sa tennis. 2 out of 3 sets po. Same scoring din po siya sa tennis. Yung 15, 30, 40. So 6 games po in 1 set and then 2 out of 3 sets po.
faster itong game na to kaysa tennis, definitely.
Faster po in the sense na the court is smaller, so mas mabilis po dumadating sa iyo yung bola. Pero yung style of play po, lagi po nila nire-remind kami mga former tennis players po na parang mas maging mas mapasensya. Kasi mas control po siya versus power po. So more tactical po in the sense na kailangan mas mahaba po yung rallies niya. Kasi given po the glass sa paligid, yun nga po na hindi ka mapupuntasan or hindi mo po mapupuntasan yung kalaban pag lumagpas. Mas mahahaba po yung rallies po.
Yes. And doubles lang to. Di pwedeng single sa paddle.
Yes po, normally po played siya in doubles, and the World Paddle Tour po and the highest level of paddle, and professional tournaments po, doubles. But I think some places po would have single sports, pero for fun lang po talaga. Doubles po.
Isa pa, para maintindihan natin paddle. Meron na bang NSA, National Federation ng Paddle sa Pilipinas, na recognize na ng international body?
Yes po. Currently po, I'm a member of the Philippine Paddle Association, which is recognized by the International Paddle Federation. Our president po, Alena Magbantay, was just recently in the General Assembly po in Europe a few weeks ago. So hopefully po, the goal is to be part of World Championships po, where we can represent the Philippines and hopefully play with other countries po.
Sa Red mo?
Good morning. For the information of all the people here, there are only two feminists involved in sports law. There of course the Agra family, which means beloved in Irish and Irish language. And the other one is English. The English father and son, different, mother and daughter. But the difference is you play, they don't play. And of course, Eric is the only Filipino, Eric is the only Filipino who is connected with CAF. And he used to be my classmate. But I didn't take up law. I'm just law. Anyway, may I ask Jessica, why do you favor paddle over pickleball? And pickleball is very popular in the US where you study, while paddle is big in Mexico.
That's a good question nga po. I think a lot of tennis players are transitioning either to paddle or pickleball. But I think po with the style of play, I think learning a new skill as well, because pickleball I think is very much similar to how tennis is played. Paddle is doubles, which I was more comfortable of playing doubles. But the exciting aspect po of learning something completely new, which would be playing po with the glasses or walls around, got me really hooked po and interested because it's a combination po of what I'm comfortable with and something completely different po. Kasi I think po if very similar sa tennis po, maybe I'd rather play tennis, but with paddle po, it presents something entirely different po for me.
Last one. Is your association recognized by PLC?